Hi, I'm Gloria, and welcome to another video in the Celoxis Learning series. In this video, we will explore the simple process of starting a timer on a task in Celoxis. Log into your Celoxis account by adding your credentials. Now, hover over the task name from the My Tasks report on which you want to start the timer. Click on the three-dot Actions menu and select Timer. It starts the timer for your task. The running time is shown on the bottom left corner of the Celoxis screen. The blinking action indicates that the timer is running. Once you click on this icon, it shows you the options such as these. You can use the Add button to add tasks to start the timer. Once you click on the Add button, select your project, choose your work item, and click Submit. This will start the timer on the selected work item. The Delete button allows you to delete all the timers. The Pause/Start button gives you the flexibility to stop/start the timer whenever you need a break. You can reset your time on a particular task whenever needed. The Delete Timer option allows you to remove a particular work item from the timer list. Once your work is done, log your time on the task and save it. This tooltip redirects you to the KB link to learn more about the timers. Thank you for watching. I'm Gloria, and I'll catch you in the next one.